Hello and welcome. This is our final step number 6. Then we have only testing step as well. So here in this final step, we are going to create our gitlab-ci.yml file, which is used to create automatic pipeline. Now, here I have this particular file. I want you to just read this and tell me, are you able to understand anything? If you have knowledge of Docker, you can understand, but if you don't have Docker knowledge, then it would be very difficult for you to understand this file. Here, my main aim for you is to understand that when we are creating our CICD pipeline, we need to understand how these pipelines are actually working, how we can push the code, how we can add variables, how we can use merge request and all this. If you look at this here, either we are using a Linux command, or during the Terraform project we use Terraform, or during Docker project we are using almost all the Docker commands. So you need to understand what is this .gitlab-ci.yml file, what are the content. It is totally depend on the technology that you are using. Definitely in the future, when you will learn a Docker from CloudFolks HUB, you will get complete idea about which Docker commands we are using, and at that time we will definitely create another project, so you will get a full understanding about Docker command. Right now you just need to understand CI/CD pipeline and you need to create this file. Now you have two ways to create file. First is you can go to your local Git repo and you can push the code from here, or you can directly go to the GitLab and you can create gitlab-ci.yml file from here as well. Up to you. Right now I am going to create this from my local system, so I am going to use vi editor vi.gitlab-ci.yml. Okay, here I have a complete code, so I am going to copy this and here I am going to paste it. Now if you look at this code, here I have to provide public IP address of my Docker host, so I am just going to remove this, and I have my EC2 instance open, so I am going to copy this IP and here I am going to paste it. Yes, now done. I have to upload this file as well, git add.gitlab-ci.yml. Now git commit -m, let's say that final, and git push origin and main branch. Okay. So now when we will push this, it is going to run CI/CD pipeline automatically. We just need to verify that what are the results we have. If you look at this particular file, you will get idea that in this particular git file, CI/CD file, we have two main stages, build and deploy, that you will get from here. Okay, so let me go to the build, go to the pipeline, and let's verify what is the status of this particular pipeline. So wait, right now it is running, and if you look at this, we are on the stage 1. Once, wow, stage 1 is passed. If we are able to pass this particular stage as well, we can say that our project is successful. Let's wait.
Hello everyone, sorry to disturb you. I am sure you guys are enjoying our GitLab course. If you want full access of this course having 83 videos, you can enroll it from our portal. First 100 students will get special discount. There is some limitation on YouTube, we are unable to give you support, but once you become our community member, our instant support is included, lifetime updation, completion certification, and additionally weekly lifetime live session with our expert Bhavesh Atal. We want to improve your skills anyhow, so that's why we added 5 projects as well. We are also available on Udemy. Still, you have any doubts, any queries, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.